Here on Cassidys Construction Company, she is demonstrating how to spray foam fill a wall at work.
Did Grandpa only say yes about this because he knew it would fail?
I'm sure you'll find out when you receive your last check.
I don't think you should tell Steve about this. He's gonna think we can't be left alone.
At this point, I kind of think he's right. And oh, by the way, I had no part in this whatsoever. This madness is you and you alone.
What if this works? You're gonna feel silly.
I don't think I will ever have to worry about that ever happening. That silly feeling. You have to hold it upside down, honey.
I am, but it's falling down.
Yeah, that's what it does.
I think Grandpa's gonna be upset.
Perhaps. Perhaps.
I'll just maybe let that set for a minute. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It just needs to set.
That'll make it all better. I'm sure that's all it needs. Meanwhile, while that's hardening up, so will the stuff in the hose.
Crap. Okay. There we go.
I don't think there's enough foam in the world to fill that hole.
It's like frosting cake.
Only a hell of a lot stickier. You did say you had two. Oh, by the way, that's all over the floor now.
Yeah.
And no, where your foamed up patty was, right there.
So I should.
You had to scrape it off on the wall, why don't you? Like dog poo.
Grandpa's gonna be so upset.
Well, I'll probably never put you out on the construction side, that's for damn sure.
Can we blame AJ?
You have to hold the can upside down, honey. Don't touch anything with that hand ever.
Making my hands tired.
Because you're not used to fixing walls.
This is actually my full-time job.
Yeah.
That's why I'm poor.
That's why I can't afford food. Or a place to live. Or a vehicle to drive to work. This is my career choice. I foam walls for a living.
I get really good Yelp reviews.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure you should never show your face on Pinterest, though.
Pinterest?
Yeah.
You know, I bet if I just... my hands are sticky.
Yeah.
I bet if I could just, let it set and sand it all down and then paint it white, it'll be like there was never
no way
a hole there at all.
no good can come of this. So you're getting out a second can, for the love of God.
This one's broken.
You should probably stop while you're ahead.
I can fix this.
Please don't ever become a surgeon. Please. Please. Never.
I nixed that.
Yeah.
Oh, the hose goes here. It's broken. Well, now what the crap do I do?
Your Uggs will never be the same, that's for damn sure.
We're just going to have to work with this. Oh, I like that.
Today I got high at work. And no one saw it coming. It's expanded right out the hole. Who knew?
Is this going to, burn my hands if I touch it?
And this ends Cassidys' second segment of How Not to Fix a Wall. Ever. Under any circumstances. Good night, all.